Hi friends, in this video I am going to talk about some important keyboard shortcuts that we use on regular basis on Windows computer. I hope this information will be very useful to you. Win means Windows button. Win key, open or close the start menu. Win plus D, show or hide the desktop. Win plus E, open File Explorer. Win plus L, lock the computer and switch users. Alt plus F4, close the active window. Alt plus Tab, switch between open applications or windows. Control plus Shift plus ESC, open Task Manager directly. Clipboard shortcuts, Control plus C, copy the selected item. Control plus X, cut the selected item. Control plus V, paste the copied or cut item. Control plus C, undo the previous action. Control plus Y, redo the previously undone action. Window management shortcuts, Win plus left arrow, snap the current window to the left side of the screen. Win plus right arrow, snap the current window to the right side of the screen. Win plus up arrow, maximize the current window. Win plus down arrow, minimize the current window or restore it if it's maximized. Alt plus F10, maximize or restore the selected window. Alt plus space, open the system menu for the active window. Taskbar shortcuts, Win plus number 19, launch or switch to the program pinned to the taskbar at the corresponding position. Win plus T, cycle through the programs on the taskbar. Win plus B, highlight the notification area on the taskbar. These are just a few examples of the many keyboard shortcuts available in Windows. Remember that some shortcuts may vary depending on your Windows version.